Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful red ornament Christmas wreath. It's really beautiful. It's a big one, bigger than the other one that I made. I'm gonna link in the corner description box down below, but this one is really beautiful. So I'm gonna show you everything and how to do it. So if you want to see how I did it, please keep watching. Hi everyone again, so let's start our project. Now, as you can see, these are the ornaments we're gonna use in this wreath or in this video. I have 3 boxes of 12 and 1 box of 30. I have the 30 first, and then I feel like I will need more ornaments for my wreath. That's why I had another 3 boxes. I ended up using only 2 of them, so you make the count. So I used 2 boxes of 12 and 1 of 30, and I have some of the stuff that you can add over or attach to your wreath. Looks so beautiful. These are the stuff that I already have, so I'm gonna leave it to the side right now. Okay, and we're gonna need a plier and a wire. These are the wire that we use for the accessory, and it's really nice. It's still strong, but it's really nice and we can bend it nicely. I have one with about like 2 meters. I left it as it is because I didn't know how much I'm gonna use from the wire to make my wreath, so that's why I left it like in the whole length until I finish my project. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add all the ornaments in front of me so I can see what I'm doing. I can see the colors, or they can see like the shape. So as you can see, I have a shiny one, glitter one, this one like have ridges and beautiful, but I didn't have a lot of them, about like 6 of them only, and I didn't have it in the other boxes, so I left it to the side because I'm gonna add it like every 3 or 4 like collection or like group of stuff. And because I have a glitter and shiny and a little bit of like a metallic one, so I'm gonna mix and match these stuff together to make my wreath. And as you can see, I'm opening the other box to like add all the ornaments in front of me, so it'll be easy for me to do to work like in a continuous way. But it looks so beautiful on a white background. It was so like Christmassy when I'm doing this. It looks so Christmassy on the screen when I'm editing the video. It looks so beautiful. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do now is so easy and simple. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my ornaments into my wires. As you can see here, I'm gonna add it in 3 groups. 1 shiny, one like metallic, 1 glittery, 1 shiny, 1 metallic, 1 glittery, and every 3 groups I'm gonna add one of this beautiful bridge one to like blend in inside my wreath and looks beautiful, and like add like a different thing to it. So I'm gonna speed up the process because as you can see, I'm doing the same thing, and as I work I will like I will take the ornament through my wire, and as you can see, I'm trying to take it down. But here this ornament just came out from the hanger, and that happens a lot while doing this wreath in this big one. It happened in the small one like twice or like 3 times. I'm gonna link it in the card description box down below, the other small wreath that I made, but this in this big one happened a lot. So what I did behind the camera, when I have one just came out from the wreath, I super glued it. So I'm using a super glue and add it to the top of the bowl, and then insert it into the hanger and let it like completely dry for a minute or something, and then I'm gonna continue working. As it happens, like I know after that it will never come off. And as you can see, continue working, adding more ornaments into my wire until I am happy with the final result of my wreath. It's just like as you like it. You like it small, like it medium, like it very large. It's just up to you the size or the diameter of your of your wreath that you want. So for me, I used 30 and 24, so it's like 54. It's about 54 ornaments for my wreath. And as you can see, what I'm doing, I'm trying to shake the wire so the ornaments like arrange itself around the wire, and if it doesn't, I'll just like try to do the same thing, like with my hands, just like grab it and see the final result, how it's gonna look like. And as you can see, it looks so beautiful around the wire. It's so amazing. So here I was trying to figure out what's like, was something happened. I can't remember actually what happened. I guess one came out and I was looking for the hanger. Yeah. And as you can see, I'm just measuring it, see if it's okay or I'm gonna need more, and shake, shake, shake until I'm happy with the final result. As you can see, I'm moving them down to have more space so I can add more ornaments. As you can see, here was one came out, and again added it. And while finishing everything behind the camera, as I told you, I super glued everything that came out, so I know it will be there forever. And after I finish, this is the final result. It's so beautiful. I was so happy when this happened, and it looks so beautiful. And again, one came out, just like added to the side. What happened behind the camera, because I didn't realize that the video was like stopped, what I did is just wrap the wire. As you can see here, I'm just like repeating the same section. I wrapped around each other and just take the excess of it inside, in between the ornaments itself, so I have more wire hidden. So if I want to make this wreath a little bit bigger, I have a space for it, so it's hidden inside, and in the same time it's secured and nice. And what I did is just wrapped the wire around each other like for about like 3 or 4 times, so it's secured and beautiful and have a circle. As you can see, that's what happened. I'm sorry for the cutoff, but I didn't realize that the camera was off, like the video stopped recording while doing this part. I'm so sorry. So now what I'm gonna do, it's very easy and very nice, and it depends on how you wanna your wreath looks like. And as you can see, I'm just like trying to figure out what I'm gonna use from all the stuff that I have. Adding this Merry Christmas would be so nice, but I need to glue it, but I didn't want to glue anything on the ornaments, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna use. I ended up using this big 3 bells thing. As you can see, it looks beautiful, and I love how it looks on my wreath. And I ended up adding it to my wreath. Of course, it's just like how you like your wreath looks like. If you want a big thing attached to it, you want to glue some stuff over it, or you just want to make it very simple and just a little bit like around the hanger and leave it as it is. It's just up to you and how you love it and how you see yourself. So to fix this bell in place, I'm gonna use a little bit of wire. So as you can see, I cut a small piece of wire, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it around the bell and the wire of the wreath, and make sure it's like wrapped nicely so it's fixed in place, and at the same time it's not that obvious because the wire is gold and the ring is gold. It's very nice, so it's not obvious at all. Of course, you can use any kind of yarn, but for me, I just like felt it's nice. Here, I'm just thinking adding this a little bit, like a little Merry Christmas, but I feel this will be so much because the bells is so big. And this bind looks beautiful on the wreath itself, on the ornaments. I was thinking where I'm gonna put it. I have only one. I guess I need to buy more because I really love it. I used it on the other ornament as well. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add it to the top here, so it will hide this upper part of the wire, and behind it I can add the hanger. But again, it looks so beautiful when I add it to the ornament, so I need to glue it or just wrap it like around the wire here, like around the ornament. But I ended up adding it to the upper top to hide this upper part to make it look better, and at the same time behind this part I'm gonna add my hanger so it will be nice and like hidden and nobody will see it. And as you can see, I have a little bit of wire just coming out like this, so make sure that you hide every wire so it will not hurt you afterwards when you remove your wreath or change the positions, like store it when you handle it. Make sure before anything that you hide any kind of harsh wires that can make any cuts while you're handling your wreath. Okay, And as you can see, looks so beautiful. I was so happy with the final result and looks so beautiful. I really wanted to do this wreath from years and years and years, and finally I did it. I'm so happy. So this is for this video. I really hope you like it and was helpful and you enjoyed watching it and enjoyed doing it as well. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I wish you the best the next year, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.